Hi there, week 12 ng saxophone journey ko, and last week I said na magkakaroon ako ng for this week's class ay magkakaroon ng changes. I will bring a music sheet, and then yung instructor ko tuturuan niya ako dun sa based from the music sheet instead ng classical yung practice booklet. And so long story short, wala kaming klase kasi absent yung instructor. So, walang class. Ang hinanda ko sanang kanta piece is 1,000 Years. For 1 week, pinapractice ko yun, and my plan initially was to practice that and then show it to the instructor, to the saxophone instructor, and then make him comment on my work, and then I will adjust and then learn how it can be more properly played, and then I will apply that and make a video and present it to this YouTube channel, yung 1,000 Years na song. But wala nga yung instructor, so wala tayong adjustment. Nag-practice lang ako, practice, and yun. So, I think I should get back to the booklet. So, para yung fundamentals is mabuild ulit. I have been playing multiple songs with YouTube backtracking. And yun, for past 3 weeks, yun yung ginagawa ko. It helped me improve, it helped me na makasabay dun sa songs. Kasi nung una talagang nabibilisan ako, and ginagawa ko, binabagalan ko yung playback speed to 0.85. Pagka lower than that, pangit na yung quality ng backtracking music eh. Pero ngayon, after that 1 week, sinubukan ko yung playback speed ng normal, which is 1 times. Nasasabayan ko na siya. So, maganda ang improvement ko with regards to playing music backtracking, and yun yung ginagawa ko. But for now, I think babalik ako dun sa fundamental. So that's week 12. Abangan nyo yung 1,000 Years next week for week 13 pag may instructor na. So, bye-bye!